Eh?
Because we are starting.
In style, yo?
Yeah.
Runway boy! Yeah.
That's funny. I'm a new woman, I'm here to do it.
Snatch. God see rebellion, what she dash way?
I gotta meet a big stuff.
You're welcome, my friend. Thank you for the donut.
But you're the original though, Isaac, so it's okay.
I'm not look for them. I want Isaac and
One Isaac, you do it the best, like you do it the best. Nah, biased.
You're the first Jamaican AI I ever seen first.
And another girl, there was this girl a long time ago. There was this little girl. She's a schooler. I don't remember her name, but I remember her. She gave me even moderator over her live one day. She bought, but I've never seen her again.
Optimus, welcome. Like, so I was the first person that gained popularity from it in Jamaica, and then I noticed that Annie daughter started doing it.
Any doctor?
Yeah.
You know, say yes, Derrick. Do that, yeah. Yeah, that's yesterday, cause why you have to bring up that? Like, me don't want to send people up on my FYP. Me don't want to hear about them people. Me tired.
What's that you? Achu, I did that start. What's your name? Anna.
Anna.
Like I be dying. The comment section of certain posts be having me weak.
I'm lucky.
They say you don't have a phone. They don't have WhatsApp. They can't talk.
Brother.
Yo. I'll be damned if I come to the internet to talk to my people. Like, that's embarrassing.
Like, like, I come my FYP, I want you to come up and me everybody has said they tried to start on FYP, but
So
like my other day, my man.
I click not interested. You have the option when the option come up and say not interested. Come and tired of them. Like, let's see one guy say, yo, I'm tired of the whole family, even the baby when I born it, I'm tired of. That to show you how bad it is.
Oh, not the baby.
Yeah, different.
That's crazy. Play it with the
Sitting there.
Oh, team?
Yeah, play team.
Alright. Lavender Buds, yeah, Miss Royal Black is amazing. And you're gonna see more content from me and her.
Okay. Yeah.
match. Yeah. Alright, guys.
Alright, people, I'm here Derrick on team. Hold on there. Derrick. Alright,
Guys, pause up.
the man up, the lucky man up at the gas station. Him not know his size. And he limited.
Yo, to see how you really act is crazy. Sir, that's how you really be on the FYP, no lie.
Exactly. You not do it good. You have to always, if somebody a come. Remember when Derrick attacked, Derrick always he might look right, he might look up.
Him not know.
Derrick always
Size. And him limited.
Yeah. Mistake, guys. Too blood.
Mr. Guys, one keep a passa. I go on TikTok.
What if?
Run out. No.
What? Oh my god.
I am done. Guys, pause up.
I didn't like that player.
Yo, laughing is better than contention.
When I hear Derrick, go again.
No, Mr. If I ask that player.
If I often me play,
No, if you ever act in plays.
you know, no, but if the opportunity come with and do it.
You know. I want to see your talent and Instagram and so all the pantomime and them play for them.
Yeah, may I look for your opportunity, man.
Derrick pantomime.
Yeah.
Derrick pantomime from your little picnic. Pantomime.
You still want to see me, yeah. Come on,
You
this
still
is
have one?
Yeah.
Loving the buds.
Nothing
I hope so
wrong with
too.
that.
You still want to see me.
I